We've gotten up early, we've worked hard, put extra time in the weight room. Today is the day to put it all out there for each other. Let's remember who we're playing for. Ready, quit!
I chose Gordon because of the community that the soccer program has.
I chose Gordon because it already felt like home.
A Gordon athlete is not just an athlete, it's bigger than that.
Here we play to glorify God.
When our competitors interact with us, they get to see Christ through us.
At Gordon, leadership is more than just about being the best player, it's about how you treat your teammates.
Leadership at Gordon looks like service, investment, and positivity.
Being on a team that's actively engaged in serving the community and others allows athletes to be better players and better people.
I keep playing sports at Gordon because it's a family here.
We are resilient, we are strong, and we support one another.
My teammates are my brothers. They're helping me to be a man who strives for excellence on and off the field.
I'm always looking for the teaching moments where I can teach not only to their basketball game, but also to their character.
Gordon athletes know how to change the world because they know how to work together for the glory of God.
It's not about fame.
At Gordon, it's about character, service, and leadership.
It's about a top-notch education.
It's about strengthening your faith.
It's about victories on and off the field.
Together we are building.
We are shaping.
We are challenging.
We are a family
That is growing together.
That cares for each other.
That celebrates together.
From the Gordon Woods to the Brigham Athletic Complex, we are built for endurance.
This is Gordon Athletics.